Yeah. Sometimes I'm looking for answers. Sometimes I get a little unsettled.
As y'all can see, I have my handy dandy Mary Kay bag back there. That is like life.
At times I could lose my focus. Every now and then I feel a little hopeless. Then I remember, you know better, and your heart is for me. So if you say wait, I'll say right here. And if you say go, I'll have no fear. I'll be waiting for you when I can't see the ground. Yeah, I'll be trusting in you. You said you never let me down, so I'll be waiting on you. Yeah, I'll be waiting on you. Sometimes I get impatient. Feels like my time is wasted. Every now and then I start comparing, but for real that only leaves me jealous. I keep trying to be on the positive, but a lot of times I end up feeling opposite. Then I remember, you know better, and your heart is for me.
So this is what I do when I want a little bubble, but I don't have time to be precise with my eyeliner. So yeah. I got these demi wispy lashes that I like to pop on. These are like my everyday. They're natural, but it's like natural glam. There it is, natural glam. So I'm gonna put these on really fast. Now, you can totally reuse lashes. A lot of my clients and a lot of people I run into, they're like, oh, how long will these lashes last? You know, do I just throw them away? And I give my clients, when I do their makeup, I give them the case. I say, here you go. You know, you can reuse your lashes. And a lot of people don't know that, you know. These can kind of probably get maybe 4 to 5 uses. I kind of push mine to like 6, 7. But that's because I take care of them. And what I do pretty much every time I take them off, or I try to do it every time I take them off, is I take this Mary Kay eye makeup remover, I soak a little bit of a paper towel with it, and then I just squeeze the lash in between the paper towel and just kind of massage it gently back and forth. And that kind of helps to loosen the glue, get rid of any makeup that's on there, any germs that your eyes were having that day or whatever. So it kind of cleanses them, and it's ready for another use. So I just gave y'all a little freebie. All right, from here, I would just add my setting spray, my Mary Kay setting spray. And then I'm gonna add my lips. So I'm gonna start off with the most natural of them, and it is Tenacious Taupe. And that's a really pretty nude color. Anybody can wear it. So yeah, and I'm gonna show you its pure color without any liner so that you can see exactly what it looks like. So if you're a woman and you're interested in learning more beauty tips like what I'm sharing with you today, any more styling, wardrobe tips, empowerment, I'm all about supporting women and small-owned businesses and supporting women to do what we were called to do and uplift humans, everybody. So if you're looking for more of that, go ahead and hit the request to join my group, The Ambition by Mikaya Dionne. All right, so this is the first one, Tenacious Taupe, and like I said, this is just a really basic nude color. Well, it's not basic because it's hard to find a nude color, but all right, so that's like the perfect nude ever. I love it. Okay, so that is Tenacious Taupe, and it is back in stock. It was out of stock for like a month or two. So if you like it, let me know. I got you. All right, that is Tenacious Taupe. It's Paparazzi Pink. And it's a pretty and this one I broke off. It's a pretty electric hot pink. And like I said, I'm showing you without any lip liner so you can see the true color of it. If you like it, you like it. You love it, you love it. If you don't, you don't. All right?
Feels like my time is wasted. Every now and then I start.
What I like about these matte lipsticks is that they're so moist. Like most matte lipsticks are dry and cracky, and this one is velvety smooth. I love it. All right, so that is Paparazzi Pink. And see how much of a difference that made. Like my face is still very simple, but just that little pop of color just kind of took it up a notch. Like very, very simple. Very simple, and I love it. All right, so that is Paparazzi Pink. If you like it, let me know. If you love it, let me know. If you don't, I'm sorry.
When I can't see the ground, yeah, I'll be trusting.
Again, this is the Grazie Violet that I'm adding.
Said you never let me down.
And there is the Grazie Violet. Love it. Love, love, love it. Love it. This is why these colors are my favorite, because I love all of them. I can't say anything bad about any of them. The last one is Piro Murtillo. I think that's how you pronounce it, but it is Latin for pure berry. And that's exactly what it is. It's a very dark burgundy purple berry lip, but I love it. Okay, so that is Piro Murtillo. All right, and that is Piro Murtillo. Y'all, so bomb. Okay, so bomb. It's hard to find a really good dark lipstick, matte lipstick, that is not dry and cracky, or some of it could be too dark, some of it is too purple, some of it is too. Listen, this is just the perfect. It's just perfect. You can't get no better than this, okay? Piro Murtillo. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, this is Piro Murtillo, and it's my #1 right now, okay? If you like it, please let me know. If you love it, let me know. If you don't, pick another one. I just showed you 4 fantastic lip shades that you cannot go wrong with, and this basic face is the way to go. You can do anything with this face. You can go out on date night, you can go out with girlfriends, you can go to the movies, you can go get lunch, you can go to work, you can go work out. All of these lipsticks that I showed you today are all Mary Kay, and you can get them on my site at marykay.com/Mikaya Dionne, or you can get them. These are all Mary Kay. I'm trying to tell y'all, stop sleeping on Mary Kay. My foundation is Mary Kay. My setting powder is Mary Kay. My makeup remover is Mary Kay. My mascara is Mary Kay. Anything that you saw, whether it's Mary Kay or not, anything you saw that I applied today, and you like it, message me about it. I'll gladly tell you what brand it is. I don't mind sharing. So thank you guys for watching. I don't mind sharing. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll continue to monitor the post. I'll leave it up for a while. Share it if you love it. Share it if you like it. Share it if you don't like it. And say, I ain't like it. No, we ain't fighting. I ain't got time for that. Too cute. Anyway, share the video. Ladies, once again, if you're interested in empowerment, inspiration, beauty tips, wardrobe tips, how to dress for your body style, how to present your best self to the world. If you're interested in any of that, send me a request to join the group. Ambition by Mikaya Dionne is the name of the group, and I will gladly welcome you. So let me know if you have any questions. Continue to comment, continue to share. I'll see y'all next time. Happy Tuesday. Bye.